Today chapter is very important. Today we are going to discuss about HTML paragraphs, line breaks and pre-tags, also HR tag. A paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. The HTML P element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line and browsers automatically add some white space, a margin before and after a paragraph. I will execute this program. As you can see, this is the title, page title goes here, and then H1 element, HTML paragraph, line break, pre-tag, HR tag. And the next one is P tag, paragraph tag. This is a paragraph, and this paragraph tag is closed. Next, I have inserted another P tag, and you can see there is a clear white space and margin between these two tags. So the contents are clearly separated from each other. So HTML, you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resize windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. So for example, if I will write this code, I will copy and I will put this code here, not here, but at the end of this one, and I will change this to P tag, and for this pre also, this will be the closing tag of this P start tag. So if I will run this program, you will see this P tag, twinkle twinkle little star, and even it is in a new line, but the browser did not recognize, and browser eliminated all the white spaces and the new line from here, because the browser don't know through the P tag that if you really entered it in a new line or not. So in order to achieve this one means the new line issue, like in most of the poems, we put each words in a new line. So we work always with pre-tags. So in pre-tag, whatever number of white spaces are the new lines you will put, it will be represented in a same way in the web browser. So in case if I will put means spaces like here and spaces like this here, and I will put some spaces here. So if you will save this program and if I will refresh, you will see in the pre-tag whatever the pre-formatted contents I have inserted, it will show in a same way, including the white spaces and including the new lines. So for example, if I will put two new lines here and I will save this document, and if I will refresh this one, you can see the two new lines are introduced here. So it means in the pre-tag, so whatever the formatting you will introduce while editing the contents, same way it will be represented in the browser. After this, so we have discussed about HTML paragraph, and then there is a line break. Line break is a very simple tag. For example, this, if you can observe this tag, p tag, so we have put means one line, then we have entered the content in a second line. But if we will execute the same piece of code, so there is no line break here. So in case you would like to introduce a line break inside your p tag and you are not using a pre tag here, so you can simply insert a new tag break here. So if you will put a br tag here, and remember this br is a singular tag, it don't have a pair tag. So if I will save this program, you will see after twinkle twinkle little star, there is this line break. It will insert the second line into the second line of browser itself. So if I will refresh this one, you can see the twinkle twinkle little star, this is on first line, and everything that is written in a second, third and fourth line, it is visible only in the second line itself. Why? Because we did not introduce the break again. So we will copy, I will copy and I will paste it again here. So if I will save this program and I refresh this program again, you can see that twinkle, now these all lines are formatted as per our requirements. So because you can see this is a long work, means I have inserted a lot of br tags. So in order to overcome this issue, there is pre-formatted tag. You can just put it here and just write down whatever the contents with the white spaces and the new lines. The same way the browser will translate this code as per your given requirements. See, I will refresh this one. You can see this is how you written here, and this is how it has been achieved through br tag. Then the third one tag we are going to discuss, it is a hr tag. So hr tag is simply, it is a horizontal line in your web browser. The hr element is used to separate the contents or define a change in an HTML tag. So for example, I will put this hr tag here, and also for your information, this hr tag is an empty tag or singular tag, which means that it has no end tag like p, like paragraph, like heading, like pre, like body, like HTML. So we will introduce this tag only once, so there is no closing version of this tag. So let I put it hr here. So let I put hr, it is already there, so I put, it is there, and see, I will put one hr there. Now if I will execute this piece of code, you will see clearly there is a horizontal line, it has been introduced. So this hr tag is a very important tag. So through this hr tag, you can separate your contents in an HTML document.